Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a pastrami sandwich. Stay tuned. All right, let's get going on this pastrami sandwich. Let me show you how I warmed up my pastrami. Okay, I've got this pan, and pretty much what I did is I steamed it. So this bottom pan, just put a little bit of water in it. Then this pan on the top sits on top of that pan, and I just put my pastrami in there, and I warm it up for probably 3 minutes, if that. Take it off. It stays nice and juicy, as you can see here. Okay, so we're going to keep that warm until I'm ready for it. Just move that aside. I've got 2 pieces of rye that I lightly toasted. Now, one thing that I like to do is I like to use the yellow mustard, just your traditional yellow mustard. Okay. Then I also like to use the spicy brown mustard. Just like that. Okay. Next step is my sauerkraut. Right out of the can. You don't want to warm it up. I mean, you can if you want to, but I like to use it right out of the jar. I love this stuff, and it's actually pretty good for you too. Put enough of it. Just like that. All right, next step is some cheese. 2 slices of Swiss cheese. Just like that. Okay, here comes the pastrami. Now what I would like to do is just layer it this way. Okay. This is the pastrami that I cooked yesterday. I'll leave a link up top so you guys can watch that video. But I used the Plowboys rub, and this stuff was amazing. Okay, just stack it up. Look at that. Yum. All right, one more for good measure. Just like that. So you got a nice stack of pastrami. Real simple. Again, this toast was, or this bread was lightly toasted. This is rye bread. Okay. Then one thing that I like with my pastrami sandwich is a good pickle. Okay. The pickles that I'm using today are from Our House Barbecue. This is their fire and ice pickles. I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can order some of this. It's amazing. Let me show you these pickles, if they make it to the chopping board. Look at that. It's got some pepper. It's actually a pretty sweet, little bit of heat. So it's going to accompany the pastrami sandwich pretty good. Going to back the camera up. Let's give it a taste. Stay tuned. Gotcha, didn't I? You didn't think I was going to go away without cutting this in half. Here we go. Let's see how we did. Look at this mountain of pastrami. Whoo, baby. Let's give it a try. All right, let's see how we did on the sandwich. Give it a monster bite. Look at that. Man, this is going to be good. I got to tell you. Been craving this since yesterday, but here we go. I made a mess of myself. Wow. Man, that pastrami is delicious. The brown mustard. That yellow mustard. The sauerkraut. The cheese. The bread. That's an amazing sandwich. Let's give one of these pickles a try. You got to have pickles with a pastrami sandwich, right? Fire and ice, remember. Oh, those are so good. Look at that. They're sweet, and there's a little bit of heat from the pepper flakes in there. I'm gonna grab another bite. That is so good. Man, you guys have got to try this sandwich. Really tasty. The pastrami, good smoky flavor, a little bit of salt. Amazing sandwich. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If this is your first time here, sorry I'm talking with my mouth full. Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, Joe Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See ya.